A lovely, interesting Ulundu Bonda or Dal Bonda. Hi, hello, Vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I am Kanchi Jaykumar. This is a very healthy recipe, and it's also at the same time interesting and crispy also. Let's look into how to do this Urad Dal Bondas. This is a very simple snack. So what we have done is we have soaked the urad dal for just 1 hour, not more than that. You need not soak it for more than that. You need not get worried like I forgot to soak. Just 1 hour is done. You will get a nice soaked urad dal like this. Drain the water completely and then we are going to grind it into the mixer jar. Can you have a look at this? We have drained the water completely, just some is left. That's why I am just doing this for you to understand it. You can do this with the help of mixer jar, or if it is comfortable for you, you can very well do it with the grinder also. Now, as mentioned in our earlier videos, we are going to add ice cubes. This is going to prevent the batter from getting heated, and it's going to help us some small quantity of water to grind the urad dal. Just have a look at this. Give it a nice mix and then again let's grind it. Can you have a look at this? Now at this stage let's add some salt. So that will help the batter to grind even more properly and evenly. Add some more ice cubes. Now this is the kind of consistency it's been ground to. So let's add the rice flour with this. I'm going to add the rice flour here. Now we are going to add the pepper and chopped coconut. This is a specialty taste for this, so that's why we are adding it. Now the oil is hot. Before putting the batter into the oil, you will have to wet your fingertips with the water, so that what will happen is this batter doesn't stick to your hands and they don't flow down otherwise. So to make it simple and easy, what we are going to do is just dip your fingertips with the water. After washing your hands, wipe it with the towels, otherwise the oil will splatter on you when there is a water bubble. So you always try to fry them in the medium heat. So what will happen is, otherwise if you are going to keep them in high, they will brown up easily and the inner part will not get cooked well. See, the sizzling of the oil has reduced nicely and there is a change in color. You can see a slight golden brown color appearing on the top of the bondas. So this time we can remove them. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making lovely healthy urad dal bondas. Definitely do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your printable recipes visit dosapizza.com. Thank you and bye bye.